Today, Bombay curry.
Warm up some oil in a pan and add cumin and mustard and let them cook for 1-2 minutes. Then add the onions and let them cook for 5-6 minutes. In a blender, place tomato, garlic and ginger and make a puree. Add the puree in the pan, add turmeric, cayenne pepper, coriander, cumin and garam masala and let it cook for 5-6 minutes. Add salt, potatoes and water, cover and let it cook for about 10 minutes. Now add the peas, cover and cook for another 12 minutes. Then serve with a bit of coriander or chives on top and enjoy!